Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to reverse money on the Capitec app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This process is pretty simple, but you need to act swiftly once you realize you've made a mistake. First, open the Capitec mobile application and sign in. Once you're signed in, you will be redirected to the main dashboard of the Capitec app. Next, select the option that says Transact at the very bottom of the screen. From there, you will be redirected to the next page. Now scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled Debit Orders. Go ahead and select that option. Here, you should be able to see all of your transactions. Find the specific transaction that you want to reverse the money for. Once you've located it, select it and then choose the option Reverse or Refund. Now, simply follow the steps provided to complete the reversal process. Once done, you should be able to reverse the transaction successfully. I do have to warn you, you need to act quickly, as doing this on a later date will reduce your chances of being able to reverse your money. So that's basically how you can reverse money on the Capitec app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.